Set the two end fence posts in the ground with concrete and level the posts. Use a string line to ensure it is tight with no obstructions like foliage in the way or to move it. It is a guide for all the other posts, height and alignment. Step 2. Dig holes at least 600 mm deep for a sturdy foundation. If the ground is hard or rocky, consider using a petrol-powered OJ for extra efficiency. Step 3. Position your posts in the holes and pour concrete around them. Use a spirit level to keep the posts vertical and aligned in height and face to the string line. Step 4. Attach the bottom rail first. Step 5. Slide the Colorbond panels into the bottom rail one by one. Align each panel snugly and lock it into the grooves of the top rail and C-posts for only one panel at a time. Step 6. Secure the rails and panels with screws for added durability. This step ensures your fence will withstand the elements for years to come. Step 7. Stand back where the fence is seen the most in the yard or from the entrance to the yard, and adjust the top and bottom rails to appear straight and plumb, then screw the corners of each panel on both sides of the fence. Add the finishing touches. Check alignment of all rails and sheeting. Double check if any screws are missing. And that's it, a stylish, durable Colorbond fence installed with ease. For more expert tips and high-quality materials, visit our website or contact instantfencepress.com.au today. Ready to tackle your next project? Like and subscribe for more DIY guides.